Hi, my name is Montez. In this video, I am going to show you how to get DogeP tokens, or Doge Protocol tokens using MetaMask on your Android mobile device. This is a strictly instructional video and not a request to buy or sell the tokens. Crypto is subject to market risks. Please do your due diligence before you buy or sell. Before we start, only follow official links from www.dogeprotocol.org. Now, let's get started. First, you need to go to Play Store and search for MetaMask. Then click on Install. It will start downloading and install MetaMask on your device. It will take short period of time, so I will pause the video and resume when the download is finished. So after the download is complete, click on Open. After you open it, please follow my steps correctly on how to set up your MetaMask. Click on Get Started. Then click on Create a new wallet. After you read terms and condition, click on Agree, create strong password for your wallet and don't share it with anyone. After you set up your password, your wallet will be created successfully. Now we have created our wallet successfully. Now we will save our seed phrase or recovery phrase. Never share your wallet or secret phrases with anyone or enter them on any website. Often scammers might approach you on social media, pretending to officially represent the project. Do not trust anyone or share sensitive info. After you read risk and tips about your seed phrase, we can proceed. Click on Start and a new screen will show up with your secret phrase. After you saved it and write it down, you will add every word of your secret phrase in the same order like I am showing on the video. After you're done, click on Complete Backup. Congratulations, now you have successfully created your own MetaMask wallet. Now you can deposit any crypto and start trading with your own wallet. Next we will see how to deposit Ethereum into your MetaMask wallet and start trading Doge Protocol token. Remember to use their official website www.dogeprotocol.org. This is what their website looks like. You can read their white paper and learn all about the project. Doge Protocol is a quantum-resistant blockchain with proof-of-stake consensus. Doge Protocol will be a combined multi-fork of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin and DogeP tokens. Post-mainnet, Doge Protocol will become the largest blockchain. Anyways, let's continue with the purpose of this video. On top right corner, click on 3 bars. And under the categories, click on Links. There you will find all the official links of the token. Sometimes the price of the token slightly differ between SushiSwap and Uniswap. You can check for the DogeP token price on each of the platforms using the links from their official website. So please use the price which will be lower in order to purchase more of DogeP tokens. At the moment of recording this instructional video, the price from Uniswap is lower than the price from SushiSwap. So we will be using Uniswap or 1inch Swap to purchase DogeP tokens. Side note, 1inch exchange platform uses the same price as of Uniswap, so there will be no problem. So now after we see the price changes, and decided on which exchange platform we want to purchase the DogeP token, we can now start to deposit our Ethereum to our MetaMask and start trading the token. You can purchase Ethereum using Coinbase or Binance exchange platform using your credit card or debit card. Or you can use P2P trading using Binance and purchase using Western Union or wire transfer. As you can see, it is simple to purchase Ethereum using Binance. You first create your account and click on Buy Crypto. Then pick on the service you want to use to buy the crypto. In this tutorial I already have some USDT on my Binance account, so I will swap the USDT into Ethereum first and then withdraw the Ethereum to my MetaMask wallet. You can download Binance app like I am using now. I will be using Binance application to swap my USDT to Ethereum. After that, I will withdraw it to my MetaMask wallet. After I have swapped my USDT to Ethereum, now we will go to MetaMask and copy our Ethereum wallet address. From your MetaMask wallet you can click on Receive to get your Ethereum wallet address and copy it from there. Or you can use the wallet address shown on the front page of your MetaMask when you open it. As shown on the video, copy your Ethereum wallet address and paste it on Binance or any exchange platform you are using. And paste your address on empty place where it says Withdraw Address. After that, put the amount of Ethereum you want to withdraw. Please keep in mind there will be reducing gas fees when you withdraw any token and transfer it to any wallet. Since we are using Ethereum and since it is on the Ethereum blockchain, the gas fee will be reduced on our total amount of Ethereum we have on our wallet. And send the remaining amount to our MetaMask wallet. It will take around a minute to show up on your MetaMask. Okay, now it showed up on our MetaMask, so let us proceed and exchange our Ethereum that we transferred to our wallet, and get our DogeP tokens. You can click on the swap function on MetaMask and try to swap to another tokens. But for this tutorial we don't need it. Now, we will click on the three bars on the top corner, the categories will show up. In order to exchange we will use the browser within the MetaMask application. Now we will go to the official page of the project, www.dogeprotocol.org. After it loads we will go to the links like I have showed you earlier. And from the links from their official website, we will click on Etherscan contract, to get the contract address of DogeP tokens. And copy the contract address so we can use it. Here is the official page and contract for DogeP tokens. Now we will copy the contract address like you are watching on this video. After we copy the contract we will get back to our MetaMask application. But first we need to check for gas fees for each exchange platform that we talked about earlier in this video. There is a website to check current gas fee price to send Ethereum and also to check how much gas fees you need in order to complete the transaction and swap from Ethereum into DogeP tokens, or any other tokens in general. You can see the list for all exchange websites that you can use to swap any tokens. We will check for Uniswap, SushiSwap and 1inch for this tutorial, and compare the price for each of them, and decide which has lower gas fees. And use the exchange platform that has the lowest gas fees. At the moment of recording this video, Uniswap and 1inch has the lowest gas fee rate compared to SushiSwap. So we will use Uniswap or 1inch in this case. So we will get back to our MetaMask application and open the browser. Then search for Uniswap and try to swap our Ethereum to DogeP tokens. Now, click on the first link that showed up on the search browser. After the Uniswap website loads, you will click on Launch App. It will take you to their platform where you can connect your MetaMask wallet and try to swap for any token you want, in our case DogeP tokens. After it loads, you will then connect your MetaMask wallet. A pop-up screen will show up. If it doesn't show up, click on the link where it says Connect Wallet. Then when the pop-up screen shows up, approve it and click on Connect. Now as you can see, if we search for DogeP tokens it won't show up, since it's a new project and sometimes it takes time until it shows up. So what we will do is, paste the contract address that we copied earlier from the official Etherscan contract address of DogeP token and it will show up. Sometimes you might face a glitch, like I am facing right now, and it takes time until it shows up after you paste the contract address. In my case it took a long time. As you can see, after constantly refreshing the browser and also using the link from the official website, and clicking on the Uniswap link, and waiting for some time, it finally loads up and shows the DogeP token. As you can see, a pop-up screen will show up and asks you to approve it. So we will click on Import. Now we can swap using Uniswap. After you approve to swap DogeP tokens, you will click on the top part of the swap and choose Ethereum, since we have Ethereum on our MetaMask wallet, and put in the amount you want to exchange from Ethereum to DogeP tokens. After you put in the amount, it will estimate and tells you how much DogeP tokens you will receive for the amount of the Ethereum that you have selected. It will also shows you the gas price for the transaction to complete. You can click on the setting icon and see the slippage to swap. 0.50% is okay to swap for the token. But for other projects the slippage might be higher or lower. You can ask how much you should put the slippage on their official Telegram channel and change the slippage. But in this tutorial we will be using 1inch swap, because in my opinion it has more functionality and gives you all the necessary details. So I will change to 1inch platform and try to swap there. Keep in mind, as we discussed earlier, Uniswap and 1inch has the same token price and also the same gas fees. So it will be practically the same. So we will search on our MetaMask browser and search for 1inch. After it loads, we will click on the second link, which will take us directly to their application or platform that we will be able to swap and exchange our tokens. So after it successfully loads, we will first connect our MetaMask wallet to 1inch exchange platform. Please follow my steps correctly. After we have successfully connected our MetaMask wallet to 1inch swap, we will again add DogeP token using the contract address that we copied earlier from the official Etherscan contract address for DogeP token, and paste it on the search bar. As you can see, DogeP token will appear on as you can see on the screen. You will then click on Import, a pop-up will show up and a warning will show up as well. Please don't get scammed by scammers. Always try to double-check the contract address that you copy. And use contract addresses from official websites of the project that you want to purchase. In our case, we will agree to the terms and click on Import. Now we can swap Doge P tokens using 1-inch exchange platform. After you put in the amount you want to exchange your Ethereum for the Doge P token, it will estimate and tells the amount of Doge P tokens that you will receive for the amount of Ethereum that you have selected. But before we swap and complete the transactions, we will click on the settings and change the amount of gas fees. And we will also change the amount of max priority. When you click on settings, it will show you the amount of gas fees in comparison with the time it will take for the transaction to complete. Also, the slippage by default is 1%. So we will change it to 0.5%. After we have finished changing the slippage, we will click on the advanced section. Here you can edit gas fees and max priority fee to your selection. I normally change the max priority fee to 1 or 2. In this case I will change it into 2. Priority fee is what you will pay in order to prioritize your transactions first and faster than other traders. I normally use high priority fee when buying NFT that are selling fast, or tokens when they are selling fast. For this token purchase I will change priority fee into 1. And also don't change any other details on the advanced setting. Go back to basic settings, and change the gas fee from fast. And change it into medium. Now we will go back. And as you can see, the gas fees has been reduced. Now we will swap from Ethereum to Doge P token with less gas fees. We will click confirm swap, then a pop-up screen will show up. We will also confirm the transaction. Now we have successfully submitted our transaction and sent it to the blockchain. We can view the status of our transaction by clicking on the button which says, View on Etherscan. On top you can see our contract address for this particular transaction. And as it is shown, you can see transaction has been submitted but not fully completed, it's still on progress. Don't worry, it will tells us that it is completed successfully after a minute. In the meanwhile we can check that we have successfully purchased Doge P token by viewing it on their chart. After you go their tokens chart and scroll down, on the very top you can see my transaction and how much I paid and how much Doge P tokens I have received. Sometimes when there is a heavy buy on projects, you can miss the transaction that you have made on the chart because so many people will be buying and selling the token. But you can see your transaction status like I have showed you earlier on the Etherscan website. In fact, if we go back to Etherscan and check the status of our transaction, it will show us that it is completed. Next we will add the token into our MetaMask wallet. We can do that by first going to Doge P token's official Etherscan page like we have used earlier on the video and copy the contract address. Now we will go back to MetaMask wallet, and we will click on import token. As you can see, if we search for it we won't get Doge P tokens since it is a new project. So we will click on custom tokens, and add the contract address there. After a short period of time it will show up automatically and fills the remaining details. But you can fill them up yourself by going back to Doge P token's Etherscan page, and from there you can see the decimal for the project, as well as the symbol and all the necessary details. Now that we have successfully loaded all the details, we will click on import. Congratulations! Now we can see Doge P tokens are visible on our MetaMask wallet, and we can see how much Doge P tokens we have. This project doesn't have a logo on MetaMask yet. They have submitted to MetaMask, but sometimes it takes a very long time until they show you logo on the MetaMask wallet. At some point, if you want to sell your Doge P token and swap it for Ethereum, the process is simple as we did before. We will go back to 1 inch, and move DogeP token on top and select Ethereum on the bottom of the swap. Then you will enter the amount of DogeP tokens you want to swap. But first you need to approve DogeP tokens for swapping and exchanging it for other tokens. Sometimes you will get an error, but after trying again and multiple times, a pop-up screen will show up, so you will click on approve and now you can sell your DogeP tokens and swap it for any other token you want. This is it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video.